Hello, dear viewers. This is the Dugas Copy Academy. You are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 26th of April 2024. The day is Friday, last trading day of the week. I am Dugas Copy's trading community member. My name is Rakesh and I am your host here. When I say that I am the member of the community, it doesn't mean that I am an employee of Dugas Copy Bank. I am not their employee. So therefore, whatever views or the trading ideas that I am going to discuss in this webinar are my own. It has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy research team. And I'll be just doing some price action here with the candlestick charts and will mark my key levels on my charts, and this will really help you if you trade from those key levels. Although these webinars are not trading advices, these are only for entertainment or education purpose. You can learn from this, but if you want to use it in your real life or not, that is your own discretion. So like I was saying that I'll be only using the candlestick type of charts to showcase my analysis here, and of course my levels also. In any case, if you feel like that you want to use these into your trading, that is on your own risk. Okay, do not tell me that you lost or won because of. Okay, now because as a technical analyst I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we will not talk about anything that is coming in the news or anything, because everything is already on the chart, so we don't have to talk about anything. Okay, what is happening here, what is happening there. And like I said, that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information, and you have to do your own research for doing live trades. Okay, do not stick to what I say. I mean, do not take it as a trading advice. This video is not a trading advice. This is just information or education purpose, you can say. So before we begin, let me take you through the risk disclaimer, because there is certain risk that is associated with these markets. So please understand the risk that is involved, and then we will go to the charts directly. All right, what you see on the charts right now on your screen, this is the daily chart of the US dollar index. For any forex trader, this chart is very much required to see in the beginning, because when you go through the dollar index chart, you have an idea that where the dollar is going today. Okay, the dollar is going up, that means rest of the currencies will be going down against the US dollar. So you have a clear idea, okay, from the daily chart. But if you want more in-depth idea, then you can also look for the market structure. Now what is the market structure? The price was going up, then it made a low, then it made a lower high, then it made a lower low. So yes, the price is consolidating, or you can say that the price is correcting to the downside. Now I am saying correcting, it is not a down move. Why it is not a down move? It is just a correction. Why I am saying that it is a correction? It will remain a correction until and unless the price breaks below this previous low. Either you take 104.79 as the previous low, because the price rose here, then made a swing here and then went higher. Now on 2 hour it doesn't look like a swing, sorry, on 1 day it doesn't look like a swing, but actually if you see on the 4 hour or 1 hour, it will be a swing. Okay, so it is a valid swing on the lower time frames, but on the daily time frame the actual swing is 103.62. all right. So like I said that the bias is bearish. This I think we should not say bias is bearish. Based on the bearish, the based on the daily, the bias is bullish. But if you take this price action on the daily from here, then it is bearish. Okay, so just I mean, understand the difference between these two. All right, so what I was saying, yes, so the price was trading like this, and now till the time that I think if you take this as the price structure, then 106.21 is the resistance, and if you take this as the market structure, then 103.62 is the something that price has to break for us to become bearish on this one in the long term. For short term I am bearish because the price is going downwards. What about the GBP USD? Same is for GBP USD. For the short term, I'm thinking that the pound is going higher, but in the longer run, I'm thinking that the pound is going down, because this 1.2709 is a very critical resistance. Although this short term resistance, the price has broken and it is expected to rise. 1.2578 is the resistance on the upside, and the level on the downside is this high, this low here. That is 1.2299. Keep these levels on your charts. What about the euro? What are the critical levels for the euro? Well, on the upside, the resistance is very far, 1.0885, and on the downside, the support is around 1.0610. Actually, you should remove that and bring it close to this low here, 1.0601. Now, that was based on this price action, higher highs and higher lows. So you can keep that also if you want. That is your wish. All right. What about the Australian dollar? I think yesterday and day before yesterday also we have talked about this, that the Australian dollar is going for this level of 0.6553, which is a critical resistance. Okay, which is a critical resistance, because when the price fell from here, it made an intraday made the next high here, and thereafter it is only falling. So now from where the price started falling, the price has just reached that area, but again it started falling. Now this fall is intraday, and the main candle of the daily is green. So let's see, and if the price is, I think, able to close higher than the yesterday's high, today's closing is higher than the yesterday's high, then there is a probability that on Monday the price will go higher. But anyways, 0.6553 is the resistance as of now. The support may be seen around 0.6456, otherwise 0.6362. New Zealand dollar finally went inside that area where we were expecting the price to find some support, and it looks like it is finding the support around 0.5933. Now it may keep rising till 0.5986, where from I am expecting a down move. If not this, then this high should be initiating 0.6015 should be seen as a resistance actually, and for the support side now you should look at 0.5852. USD CHF not moving at all. Although the US dollar is very bullish on the daily, but the USD CHF is not moving. That means somebody is doing heavy shorts in this area. Heavy shorts, heavy shorts. Either somebody is doing heavy shorts over here, or somebody is not willing for the currency to go beyond 9150. So I don't know who is he, but yes, you can see that he has stopped, he or she, or how many people are there, I don't know, but the price has stopped in this area from a long time. This is more than 10 days now. Okay, so let's see. Although the other pairs are rising with the US dollar, like say USD CAD, that okay, that is also not, but USD JPY you can see, okay, 157.77, 159.88 is the target. Although, so yes, a very good move in the USD JPY, but we are talking about the USD CAD here. The resistance is 1.3725 and the support is around 1.3620, which I'm expecting to break, and maybe the price will be headed lower. But right now it looks like that US dollar is not able to cope up with the Canadian dollar, which is on the rise, and there is a possibility of the price breaking below 1.3620. In that case, I'll be very cautious against USD CAD, because it will be a long-term sell off then, like this, towards 1.3177. Let's see how the things unfold. Right now I'm just looking at the price action here. USD JPY, we have already discussed that the price is on the rise. There is no more buying in this one because the price has already moved a lot. But yes, there is a raw resistance at very far area, that is 159.88. Before that there is no resistance for this price. The support can be seen around 153.58. New Zealand CAD, we were expecting lower prices. Anytime below 0.8169, we should be looking for the lower prices. If the price is able to rise above 0.8169, then we can look for the buying opportunities in this market. Any close below 0.8065 is expected anytime soon, because we are looking for the lower prices like 0.79614, etc. in this one. And now New Zealand CAD looks like it will go down, because New Zealand dollar is not so good against the US dollar, and first is Canadian dollar is much strong than the US dollar, it looks like. So I'm expecting that there is a good reason for the New Zealand CAD to go down here. What about the Bitcoin? Did I say you that the price will be hovering around like this now for some days? Let's see how many days it can move on my bias, or on my lines that I have drawn. But if you ask me what is the support and resistance, 66,921 area is an area of resistance, and the area of support is 59,638 to 59,200. This is based on the daily charts, guys. What is the crude oil doing? Crude is, I think it is also hovering between these two levels. I'm not very bullish on this one, but I'm bearish. I'm looking the prices to go back to 76 area below 84.61. So I'm just waiting that 84.61 breaks, and then price breaks 81.11, and then it moves to 76.66. This is what I'm expecting in this one. Gold is a consolidation. I think for the next leg lower it is trying to prepare itself, because if there were enough buyers, or if they were thinking okay, now there is a risk and we need to buy gold, they would have already bought the gold. Since they are not buying it, that means at the higher levels they will sell it again with the target of 22.28. Let's see how the things unfold in this one also. These are the levels on your charts that you can keep. Nikkei had a very nice move. This I have opened the 15 minutes, but I will switch to 1 day maybe. Nikkei had a very good move, very good move. Now the price is making lows here, but somebody might be thinking, oh, the price has made a lower low, and now the price made a low here, then it is making a high. No, it is not making any higher high. Okay, so you have to understand this concept here. The price was making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, but made a higher low, lower high, lower low, made a lower high, made a lower low, made a higher high, made a lower low, lower high, lower low. So till the time the price does not surpass this area, we are bearish on this market. Okay, now the price has to go higher than this one, so I can say that this is my resistance now. Yes, I was expecting this area, previously broken support, to act as a resistance, but this is the actual downswing pivot. If the price breaks from this 39,956, then we will be buyers in this market, but right now it doesn't look like. Okay, let's see how the things unfold in this one, but yes, that is the resistance area, guys. So where is the support? So this will become your support. Got it? Euro JPY, did I tell you that 165 is going to shoot? Now this Euro JPY is going to shoot 169.97. This is it. Market needs a reason to go there, and there is a reason. 169.97. The euro is bullish, the yen is weak, so here it goes. Boom. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Bum bum bum. So what is the resistance? 169.97 is the area where I am looking for resistance, and now the support may be seen around 165.34. What about the GBP AUD? Did I tell you that it is bearish? Because the pound is bearish than Australian dollar. Australian dollar much strong, and any close below the level of 1.9116 will open up the way for 1.8590 in this one. I am very much bearish on the GBP AUD. Although I was bearish on the CHF JPY also, but since I told you that the yen is so weak that every currency is rising in front of it, there is a high probability that the Swiss franc will also rise. That's why I said that don't sell it. There is a cross. If you don't know, or if you don't recollect it, you can watch my streams from yesterday and day before yesterday, where entire week I was screaming there is no selling from this area. So that means people are not ready to sell CHF JPY. So look for this type of move, and that has happened. So yes, that's it. AUD New Zealand, did I say that the price is going up, but we are approaching the zone of resistance, so be careful. So yes, we are almost there. At any time now around 1.0993 area, the price can reverse from here. Okay, so be cautious in the AUD New Zealand. I think that is a dynamic level, so I cannot tell you, but yes, horizontal level you can expect 1.0971 to act as a support, and 1.1069 to act as a resistance in this one. That's all, guys, from my side. I'm keeping this very short because this is the month end, and you don't want, to I don't know what you don't want, but yes, you don't want me to talk a lot. 10 minutes is sufficient. We have gone 30 minutes, so I would just like to wrap up the session very fast so that we can see each other on Monday faster. I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Please do your top-down research. Please calculate your risk to reward beforehand before you place a trade. Now just remember to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.